Shyam Chandar, Bari, all technical staff, Clues team staff of Hyderabad City Police and members of media press, andarki namaskaram. The Hyderabad City Police lo one of the center of excellence. Center of excellence ante oka special vertical with highly sophisticated equipments, training, tarvata well trained human resource. Idi oka unit undi Clues team. Clues team of Hyderabad City Police country lo ka unique police establishments undi. 24 hours oka law and order officer lage shift system lo prati division ki oka team dedicated for emergency response undi. మీ అందరికీ తెలుసు హైదరాబాద్ సిటీలో 17 డివిజన్స్ ఉన్నాయి, లా అండ్ ఆర్డర్ డివిజన్స్. సో ప్రతి డివిజన్ కి ఒక క్లూస్ టీమ్ రౌండ్ ద క్లాక్ దే ఆర్ దేర్. Night 2 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 4 o'clock, any crime, anything, anywhere happening, they respond promptly. ఇప్పుడే మీకు డాక్టర్ వెంకన్న గారు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేశారు. Use of scientific aid in investigation, particularly in modern field, modern world, when technological changes every 6 months, ki new things are coming. Criminals kuda new technology use chestunnaru. So detection of those cases, and most important, linking of crime to criminal. Linking of crime scene to criminal. Idi oka most important issue, not only for investigation, but also establishing before the court of law. In digital world though, establishing crime scene and criminal, so that the court is convinced. Idi oka peta challenge. And that is why mana Hyderabad City Police Clues team has one of the state of art technology lab. Ippude chusamu, idi oka peda subject ayindi, and peda complicated subject ayindi. Now oka high density area lo, Hyderabad lage high density area lo, preserving of scene of crime is most important. If the scene of crime is disturbed, then our Clues team will also get misleading clues. So media press taraf nunchi nenu public ki request chestunnanu, sanctity of scene of crime ఏ పరిస్థితిలో మెయింటైన్ చేయాలి. Come what may, one should not go near the scene of crime. Particularly, police department taraf nunchi oka tape pettunnaru anni crime scene ki. Crime scene do not cross. Idiki chala importance undi. Only those who are investigating the case, lekapothe scientific officers like Clues team officer, only they should enter there. If you disturb the crime scene, the criminal will take advantage in the court of law, and chances of acquittal, because a doubt will be created in the mind of the judicial officers, which will give the benefit of doubt to the criminal. So enta manchi center of excellence మన హైదరాబాద్ సిటీలో ఉంది. ఇది నాకు ఎంటైర్ సిటీకి ఇది గర్వకారణం. అండ్ టుడే ఈ రోజు నేను ఇదే పని కోసం వచ్చాము. జనరల్ గా అంటే ఒక సిచ్యువేషన్ లో లా అండ్ ఆర్డర్, ట్రాఫిక్, దే ఆర్ ఆల్వేస్ సీన్, విజిబుల్ ఉన్నారు. బట్ బిహైండ్ ద సీన్, ద రియల్ వర్క్, ద రియల్ professional work, scientific work is done by the team of officers like loose team officers led by Dr. Venkanna of Hyderabad City Police CCS.